Hey, if you want to connect your pen drive into your Realme C67, for sure you can do this, but first you will have to go into the settings. Now you will have to open the search pool in your settings, so click right here, type OTG and enable the OTG connection. So turn it on with the switcher, and after this, if you have the USB-C port, you can plug it straight into your port, but if you have, for example, the USB-A pen drive, so you will have to find this kind of the adapter, the USB-C to USB-A. So it looks like this, and you have to plug it into your USB-C port on your Realme C67. And now you will get this My Files. It will pops automatically, and here we can find your OTG connection. So now when you click on it, you can open it, and as you can see from here, I can find some stuff on my pen drive, and that's actually how it works. That's quite simple. So yeah, for example, I can open this photos from my pen drive on my Realme C67. So as you can see, that's quite simple, and that's how you can use your pen drive with the Realme C67. That's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.